guys! Welcome back to our vlog. It's me, Mommy RC. Today, chill lang tayo dito sa bahay kasi we're going mulberry picking sa front yard. Yes, you heard it right. Dito lang sa harap ng bahay, sa mga tanim ni Mama La. Ang dami na palang hinog na mulberries, kaya naisip namin magbanding ng mga kids habang pinipitas namin sila. The kids were so excited. Parang adventure na rin for them. Hanap dito, hanap doon, ng mga pinakamaitim at pinakamatamis na berries. Ang cute pa, kasi habang pumipitas, sabay tikim din. Ang sarap ng ganitong moments. Simple lang, pero super saya. Fresh air, family time, and of course, yummy mulberries straight from the front yard. Habang pumipitas kami, we talked about how healthy mulberries are. Did you know na low in carbs pala sila? Kaya perfect for healthy snacks. They're also rich in vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants. Pang energy, pang good skin, at pang strong immune system. Ang bonus pa, libre na. Walang gastos, pero puno ng good vibes at memories. The kids really had fun, lalo na nung nakita nila yung purple na kamay nila. Sabi ko nga, okay lang yan, ibig sabihin madami kang napitas. Ang saya lang kasi moments like this remind us na minsan, the best bonding time doesn't need to be far or fancy. Kahit sa backyard or front yard lang, basta kasama ang family, sulit na sulit. So, if you have plants like this sa bahay or sa lola nyo, try picking fruits together. Nakaka-relax, nakakabusog, and it's a fun way to teach the kids about nature and healthy eating. Thanks for watching, guys! Don't forget to like, comment, and follow us if you enjoyed this simple front yard vlog with us. Till next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep enjoying life's little sweet moments. That's all for this video. Bye-bye!